Hello and welcome to recording number 3. I am still poorly lit and you probably can't hear me over the client. I'm not sure. I'll turn it down slightly for this one, see how it works. See what that's like. Barely as audible as the fans on the computer. I need to figure out the mic situation. That's probably the only thing left. I'm not too fussed about having a low frame rate webcam. We'll see how it looks on the final version. I have the Zenith Flare. You really have no... Oh, shrink that. Again, why is it so sketchy again? We've got cycling to... and... oh, shuffle. God. That's an awkward one. You really need to be able to read that. I'm sorry, but, like... I just need that to die. That prevents my aggro deck from winning the game. Are we going to go wide? First time each. We're basically cycling it for free this way, aren't we? Bing, and we got the land. I wonder if the cycling lands are in this deck. It's having my problem from the first game. Or was it the second game? It was the second game. So it wasn't a problem, we won. So that's 3, but he can't cast it. Oh no, we can. So we need removal again. Although, if he keeps putting things on there... go big or go wide. I kind of want to do both, so we'll Valiant Rescuer first. For not cycling. What's his discard? Oh no, it's XX. We can cope with the XX. Read our graveyard. Oh! Okay. Maybe he is mutating the symbiote. Because it turns it into a 3-3. And then he gets a +1/+1 counter, yeah, so that is fine. I am a stupid person. So, do we just want to cycle up? I don't think we can lose the life. We've killed... this kills 3 of his creatures. For the game, not for the card. 2 for the card, 3 for the game. And now he's got 5 mana. Oh. Oh. That is sickening. That is the card you want to exile. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. God, what does the computer say? The computer says, let's go slowly. So, we cycle our Yidoro. Ching, 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 ching. Do we draw land? We do not, but we do get a stinger. First time each turn. So we can't play it now anyway. So I guess we hold the stinger. We could stinger, cycle the monster next turn. He's hard casting that? Oh, he doesn't trust that I've got no more removal. That's good because we've got a ton of no 1/1s. We do have 6 powers worth of creatures at the moment. Ooh, he's risking it. What's the cost on that? The cost is 5. So he can cast it back again. So I take the 6. Oh my god. You gain 1 life. Ugh. Do we want to gain 1 life? I mean... So, we're in a pickle here. We need to cycle at least 1 card. I think we need to stay alive. But do we cycle the 1 cost card? I think we cycle the 2 cost card that we're never going to get to play. Hope for an untapped land. Which we then play. Yeah. We then pretend we don't have any more cycling and we end our turn. So now when we cycle, we have a 4-4. We have an extra 1-1. And we gain a life. Each opponent sacrifices a creature. Right, so we sacrifice a 1-1. This is not a problem. This is why Chittering Harvester isn't as good as the bat. It makes his guy a lot bigger. Goodbye. So, that isn't an issue. We take 6. Yeah? He can't have any tricks. End of turn, we cycle that for 1. Is that really the first cycling card in the graveyard? So, we want to play that. We want to cycle that. That's risky. He now knows we have cycling 1 cards. We don't have anything with vigilance because this deck is atrocious. It's interesting, we can't let the trample guy hit us. So he should totally swing with everything. I mean, making us sack a creature is basically terrible as well. Oh, discard. Okay. We resolve that. He makes a beast. We discard a card. Well, let's see, because that's the card we want least. Well, we've told him what to do with attacks now, which is not ideal. We can't discard that. Well, if we discard the cycling card, then he poses any flare up. Does he get to destroy a creature? I can't remember. Okay. Yeah, I was going to say we first strike the Death Touch guy, but now we first strike that. And 1/1 that. Oh, it's managed now. Actually, no, because that can't be killed. Take 6, because he's the healer. I fucked up there. No, that seems fine. We're not getting the Winota. What does this do? Cycling tapped a creature. It's too late for that. So we've got to attack with a non-human creature. Shouldn't have blocked with the 1/1. How is that a monkey? We can't kill that, can we? We have to play the risky game. Trigger, trigger. So we have one non-human creature. We're only on 1 life though, so frankly, are you really only taking with the one thing? Okay. That's how we have to block. I was hoping for bigger, better creatures, but is that an instant? Instant. Brilliant. 4 mana. 2 mana. Next to combat. If he blocks that, then we're fucked. Okay, we can go with that. That is a trade I'm willing to make. So, mutate onto there. In response, ruin your party. Go up to 7. Didn't quite do what we wanted, did it? But we should have waited and done it afterwards. That was the smart move. Now with this possibility we've got a cycling card in hand. So we can kill 2 of them. Which is horrible, considering we had a brilliant mutate spell. Yay, first strike damage! We have to hope we draw something amazing. Oh, or that he doesn't. Can we hardcast this? What's 5, 6, 7? I mean, it's got haste, right? Are we actually going to win despite our horrible, horrible misplay? Yay! Wow. Sometimes casting the cards is good. I'd rather cycle them all, Drakehaven decks and all that, but that was a bit tedious, it was a bit long. I'm not sure we're going to play in the event again. But thank you for watching, if indeed you still are.